Alright guys, so this is a heater for a refrigerator for a Hisense, and we are testing it right now. And so we have our two black wires, one here, one here, okay? And you want to insert your test leads in each. And you should have a resistance, which we do. Show it to you. Okay. So what I want to talk about, so these units, R600 equipped, they're flammable. So you're gonna have this heater. This was on a French door unit. So what you have here is a diode of some sort, and as you can see, the wire from the other side of the heater comes into a loop. Well, it goes into this diode and comes out, and it's a safety feature in the event of, let's say, the heater gets grounded, then power will stop. It will not travel through. So basically it's a anti-spark device, because obviously the refrigerant is flammable. So my safety on this is, if there's a problem with this heater, do not cut this out and splice it. Yes, the fridge would still work, but now you have a potential spark or something that, you know, could actually cause a fire or explosion. So keep it intact. This is your thermistor. These you can solder a new one in the event if this is tested bad and heater and everything else is good. Obviously depends on the price, but chances are just replace the entire assembly to be on the safe side. This is a new unit. I just wanted to share that with you. All right, thanks for watching.